to Book 3 of our summer series. Today, we're reading Biscuit's First Beach Day. Here we are, Biscuit. It's a beautiful, sunny day. It's a perfect day to spend at the beach. Woof, woof. We have our beach blanket and towels. Woof, woof. Have a big umbrella too. Woof, that's the way to help, Biscuit. We can build a big sand castle at the beach, Biscuit. I have my pail and shovel. Woof, woof. The beach is filled with seashells, Biscuit. Let's see how many we can find. Woof, woof. Oh, Biscuit, you found a starfish. Woof. Look, Biscuit, Puddles is here. Woof, woof. Bow, wow. This way, everybody, we can all go for a dip in the ocean. Are you ready, Biscuit? Let's jump over the ocean waves together. Here comes a wave. Splash! Woof, 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 woof. Oh no, Biscuit, not a big shake. It's time to dry off. It's lunchtime. Woof, woof. Bow, wow. Silly puppies, no tugging on the towel. It's fun to have a picnic at the beach, Biscuit. We packed sandwiches, fruit, and drinks. Woof, woof. Bow wow, and some special treats for you too. Oh no, there goes our beach ball. Woof, woof. Puppy, you found our beach ball. You found a seagull too. Woof. The sky is bright and clear. A warm breeze is blowing. The beach is a great place to fly our kites. Follow me, Biscuit. Woof, woof. Biscuit, Puddles, where are you going now? Woof, woof, bow, wow. Sweet puppies, the beach is a perfect place for lots of sun and fun. And a little nap, too. Biscuit,